In the first part of the article, I will briefly describe the background, object, and objectives of this research, as well as the structure of the article. At the very beginning of the background check, we found that Malaysia is a country with a high dependency on import and export trade and a friendly business environment, and its import and export trade volume continues to rise. It can be said that Malaysia's foreign trade environment is very friendly and great. However, a series of problems are bound to arise from the positive momentum of development. This is why we chose Malaysia's import and export trade for our study. By reviewing the information and analyzing it, we conclude that there are two main problems: Malaysia's low participation in international trade and a decline in international competitiveness of Malaysia export conditions. Here are two graphs of data from the last 2 years that reflect where these two problems lie. Next, this study analyzed impact of Malaysia's trade facility measures on the country's import and export. The latest statistics are used here as an example. In searching for prior research, this study found that there has been ample discussion of Malaysia's import and export trade. However, Malaysia has been adjusting and implementing new foreign trade policies in recent years, and these policies, as new variables, will also affect Malaysia's import and export trade. Therefore, this study will focus on this new variable. Therefore, the main objective of this study is to explore the effects of trade facility measures on Malaysia import and export trade. Finally, we have organized this article into 6 main sections, including background, methodology, and suggest measures.
Hello, Professor. I will introduce the literature reviews in this part. This literature provides a detailed analysis of trade facilitation concept and focuses on the impact of this facilitation measure on Malaysia's import and export dynamics, particularly within the framework of Association of Southeast Asian Nations and Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership. The analysis highlights the importance of trade facilitation measures in improving Malaysia's trade efficiency and economic growth, emphasizing its importance in the global trading system and the country's integration into regional and international markets.
Part 3. Theoretic foundation of trade facilitation and its mechanism of impact on international trade. This chapter explains the mechanism of the impact of trade facilitation on international trade through the description of the theoretic basis of trade facilitation, transaction cost theory, and customers union theory, and concludes that trade facilitation will promote a country's exports.
We have extended and modified our previous research based on the gravity model and established a model that reflects the convenience of trade between China and Malaysia. In data analysis, we used statistical methods for benchmark regression, and after multiple tests, we ultimately chose the random effect model. The results show that the improvement of Malaysia's trade facilitation has a positive impact on China's efforts to it, surpassing the impact of population and economic factors. The impact of tariff level on exports is relatively small. Further product grouping regression analysis shows that improving Malaysia's trade facilitation has the most significant promoting effects on China's export of high-tech products to it. In addition, population factors have a significant driving effect on products of different technological levels, highlighting the impact of population demand on the structure of trade products between China and Malaysia.
Trade facilitation measures have had a positive impact on Malaysian exports, including increasing import volumes, improving competitiveness, expanding marketing diversification, boosting economic growth, attracting FDI, promoting industrial upgrading, enhancing supply chain efficiency, expanding international cooperation, and improving enterprise competitiveness. These results have helped to promote Malaysia's economic development and international competitiveness.
Part 6. Policy Suggestion. Trade facilitation measures have a significant impact on Malaysia's imports and exports, and the government should therefore adopt a series of optimization measures, including simplifying import and export procedures, improving the efficiency of customs clearance, and enhancing information sharing, in order to promote the development of Malaysia's imports and exports. At the same time, the government should also strengthen cooperation with international organizations to continuously improve trade facilitation.